Hello friends, this is MD Quayyum, Civil Engineer. A warm welcome back with new video to our academy JILT. Today I am going to discuss about 35 feet by 50 feet ground floor plan. So this is a duplex model and we have plotted all the top view. But before going to discuss in detail, I request all the viewers of our academy, those who did not subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Now I am entering into the ground floor plan. So here you can view there is a lavish parking area is available of size 18 feet 1 inches by 16 feet. So here in this parking area you can park two vehicles at a time. So from this porch area I am entering towards the living room. So the living room is having a very comfortable area of size 12 feet 5 inches by 14 feet 5 inches, and in living room you can view we have plotted sofa set along with the teapot and a LCD. So this is a very comfortable living room area. From living room I am entering into the dining hall. So the dining hall is having a dimension of 12 feet 4 inches by 16 feet 11 inches, accommodated with a dining table by 6 members. So it is a very comfortable area towards the ground floor. So now you can see the right side, the staircase is provided to move towards the upstairs. As I said, it is a duplex model. The staircase are from the inside of our house. From dining room I am entering to the kitchen room of lavish area of size 12 feet 4 inches by 9 feet 4 inches. So here you can see there is a platform along with wash area, and from kitchen room I am returning back, and you can now I am entering to the bedroom of our ground floor plan. So the bedroom is having a dimension of 12 feet 4 inches by 11 feet 6 inches, which is attached with a toilet of size 8 feet 6 inches by 5 feet. So this is a very comfortable plan. Here you can view there is one door we have provided with a paved area and garden all over the three sides. So this is a fully ventilation plan, and the paved area of dimension 12 feet 4 inches by 10 feet 3 inches. So this is a comfortable plan for the size of 35 feet by 50 feet floor plan. So viewers, if you like the video a lot, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.